Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we're making easy moist pumpkin cookies. To begin, we're sifting 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, followed by 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, half a teaspoon of allspice, and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground nutmeg. Sift into a mixing bowl, then whisk to incorporate and set it aside. Now, using your stand mixer, add in half a cup of butter at room temperature, followed by half a cup of granulated sugar, and 1 cup of light brown sugar. Then, using the paddle attachment, beat until fluffy and lighter in color. Once the sugar looks like this, sort of like a wet sand texture, you may go ahead and add 1 room temperature large egg, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, then mix on low until well combined. Now we have a brown sugar creamy mixture, which is exactly what we were looking for. Now add in 1 cup of pure pumpkin puree. Then mix at a low speed until all the ingredients are well combined. You may scrape the bottom of the bowl if needed. Now, if you look at the mixture, it looks curdled, but no worries, that's the way it's supposed to look. Now, add the flour mixture all at once and mix just until combined. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, that is 177 degrees Celsius. Using a spatula, fold in any remaining flour and mix one last time. Now cover and keep in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, scoop out the dough onto a tray, preferably lined with parchment paper or a baking mat. Place them about 2 inches apart. Now bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius for about 11 minutes. And if everything goes according to plan, your moist pumpkin cookies should look like this. Transfer them onto a wire rack and let them cool off. And while we wait, let's make some icing. In a small mixing bowl, add in 1 cup of powdered sugar, followed by 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of whole milk. Then mix until smooth. Add more milk if needed. Once the cookies have cooled off, keep them close together and drizzle the icing over the top. Check this out, I think now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, easy moist pumpkin cookies. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching. Bye.
Nice.